Hey there, I'm HVAC repair guy. I have 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two central air options, the ACiQ H4A7T and the Della ducted central AC17 SEER2. When it comes to cabinet construction, there is a distinct difference in how these two protect their internal components. The ACiQ H4A7T uses a traditional wire grill guard around the condenser that offers open airflow but leaves the coil more exposed to hail or yard debris. The Della features slotted metal cabinet panels that provide significantly more physical protection for the coil fins against accidental damage. Both units ship with a factory compressor sound blanket pre-installed to help deaden operating noise. In performance, both units sit right at 17. SEER, meaning they offer solid high-efficiency cooling for your home. Sound output is where they really diverge on the spec sheet. The ACiQ H4A7T operates around 70 decibels, which is comparable to a quiet dishwasher. The Della comes in significantly quieter at 58 decibels, which is remarkably low for an outdoor central air unit in this category. Looking under the hood, both systems are matched identically in setup. They both feature a 2-speed compressor paired with a 2-speed condenser fan, and neither uses variable speed technology. That 2-stage operation gives better humidity control and efficiency compared to basic single-stage equipment by running on a lower, quieter stage most of the time. The ACiQ H4A7T is manufactured by International Comfort Products, a subsidiary of Carrier in Mexico. The Della ducted central AC is manufactured in China. Looking at online equipment pricing, the ACiQ H4A7T condenser alone generally ranges from around $2,150 to $2,450 depending on tonnage. Full match system packages for ACiQ typically run between $3,100 and $4,500. For the Della, complete equipment packages typically range between $1,800 and $2,650. Local contractor installation labor, duct modifications, and line sets will be additional if you are hiring an installer. Warranty coverage is where these two completely separate themselves. The ACiQ H4A7T comes with a 10-year overall warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. Della only offers a 1-year warranty on the overall unit and 1 year on the compressor with no unit replacement warranty listed. If I am standing in your driveway making a recommendation, I am choosing the ACiQ H4A7T. While the Della is notably quieter and offers extra protection of slotted cabinet panels, a 1-year warranty on a major central AC investment is a massive red flag for long-term ownership. The ACiQ gives identical 2-stage technology, 17 SEER efficiency, Carrier ICP manufacturing backing, and 10 full years of unit replacement protection.